Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to take the SIM card out of an Apple iPhone. To do this you'll need the pin which came with your Apple iPhone, and you'll need to insert the pin into the hole on the side of the iPhone. Okay, so let's just get your pin. So if you put it in the hole, okay, you will need to be quite forceful with this, otherwise it won't come out. And there you go, so it pops open and then you can take your SIM card out like so. So let's do that one more time then. So let's put it back in. Okay, so if you just get your pin and if you just put the pin into the hole, press really hard and it will pop out the drawer like so. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, see you next time.